Hey MacKenzie Squad, welcome back to today's video and thank you so much if you've stopped by. And as you have seen in the title, guys, so today we are trying to make our closet clean and tidy, and something that we'll really love to go to pick your clothes whenever you want. So I just want to share with you some tips that you can use for you to be able to at least stay organized and put. So the first thing that you're supposed to do, guys, is eliminate or just declutter anything that you don't want. I know this is something that is sometimes a bit hard, but because sometimes there's a clothes that you really hold on to. And guys, if you don't need it, please give it away. Yeah, if something is small, give it away. If something is big, give it away. There's some clothes that even you don't like. They are yours, but you don't like. Also, those ones, give it away and just give room to your closet, and you'll find that you have a lot of space in there. So let's do this. Guys, I'm even embarrassed to show you how my closet look like. Since I moved in this house, like I've never been serious about this place. So where I was staying, I didn't have a place to hang clothes and everything. So I was putting my clothes on the bag and also some on the shelves. So I recently acquired, I went to buy this. Yeah, these ones I bought them from a page. I don't know even they will. I bought like 30 pieces of them. So I'm hoping that they will work. So I want, before I even start everything, I have to declutter. And if you want to start organizing a place, first of all you have to declutter what you have, throw away, give away what you have. Some you can throw if you don't need them. So yeah, that's what I want to do, and I'm really embarrassed. Hey, these things are looking so ugly. But anyway, these are just my clothes, so I want to do that. I usually fold them, guys. Ish. I just reach a point that I'm now tired of seeing them. So yeah, so that's what I want to do right now. Yeah, now maybe I'll show you maybe later when I'm done decluttering, because that's a lot of, the video will be too long. So at this point, I just wanted to put some music to be able to at least give me the morale to continue doing, to eliminate the clothes that I don't need. So here I'm just enjoying, as you can see. So the second tip that I can say is you categorize your clothing items with okay, e.g. like you categorize your jeans, you categorize your shirts, tops, like that. So you have to have that, dresses on separate, like that. Just categorize after you've already decluttered. So this elimination method is really hard, because sometimes it's you into one piece of cloth and you love and you don't want to give it away and you don't even wear it. So I know how hard it is. You can tell me in the comment section if you go through this. So this is the part that I'm trying to just check what I need, what I don't need, and just putting them together. Also separating them in categories, like the tops together, the dresses, the jeans, like that. Okay, I think the third one, you separate them by the use. I mean, like the casuals and the formal ones. So you separate that way. So it's easy for you to even know where exactly to find what. So that's something that you're supposed to do. It doesn't matter if you have small closet or you don't have the closet. You can just even have some small boxes that you've arranged your clothes need. Guys, this is the situation of me trying to arrange my clothes. Where, let me tell you, it's a lot of work. So on a Saturday morning, I've woken up. So I left these clothes here during the night because I was watching a movie and it ended up at 4, and I was like, where? Sitalala leo. So I want to hang these dresses. I don't know if these hangers will be able to, the remaining ones, these ones. I have little, so I want to find out if they will fit everything. The ones that I want to hang. If not, I have to go for more. So yeah, so that's how I was folding them. I'll show you how I'll fold. So yeah, these are the jeans, guys. This is everything. And these are some that I'm giving out. So yes, It's really messy in here, you can see, guys. So I'm really trying to see if I can hang this the shirts that I go with them at work. So I'm really trying to see if they'll fit, and they are many. So yeah, so let's do this. I'll show you the end results, because I've seen, if I start showing you everything of what I'm doing, it will take a lot of time. So yeah, I think I'm in the fourth one now, so I think I will stop counting, because I think I'm losing it. So yeah, the other thing you're supposed to do after everything else you've done for the ones that I've mentioned, make sure that you start folding your clothes. Find a way of how you can be folding the clothes that now you cannot hang them, and just fold everything neatly, and just find a place to keep them as well. So that's another one that you can use. It's just a tip number 4. The other tip number 5 is, if possible, get matching hangers, or matching hangers, or also the boxes that you're gonna use to arrange your clothes. So that way it brings like coordination on your closet. So if you can use plastics, and you can use the velvet hangers, but if you're using black, let it be black. White, let it be white, like that. So that's what you mean by color coordination. So guys, these are some of the ways that I want to show you of how I fold the jumpers. There's shirts, there's trousers, there's a way I usually do it. So I hope that you can understand this part, because I won't forward it, so I'll just take it slow, so that you can at least get something, and you can do that as well.
Smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good fame. This for the diamond, head for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are.
You've already folded your clothes, and then you've already, you have the hangers in place. You've put the things that you want to hang. When you're not going to place them in your closet, guys, make sure you just put them in color coordination. What I mean by color coordination is, put your blacks, your neutrals, your dark colors differently. In that way, it gives you a better visual when the time you're going to look for something. It's easy for you to know. I can see my blacks on this side, my whites on this side, like I think you're understanding what I'm saying. So it's easy for you to get a better visual of your clothes. So guys, I'm done with the clothes. So I just wanted to show you a overview of what I've done. You can see. So I've used the hangers, as you can see, all of them are here. So these ones are just, what is this, blouses or what? And the chiffons onto here. And then from here, I've just put these jackets over here, because of the trousers are down here. So they are a bit shorter than the dresses. For the trousers that you've seen, the way I've folded, that's how I've shown you in the video. Yeah, so I want to use the trousers, I need to put them in an organizer. And I'm waiting Divine Interior to deliver today. So hopefully, I'll show you when they come. But this is the outcome of right now that I've done. And then over here, that's when I've put dresses. And if you can see, I've tried to coordinate the colors to put them together. The whites, black, pink, the mustard, like that. So I've just realized that my wardrobe is more of colorful, neutral colors. So that's why they're a bit of colorful. But that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to put them. If you're putting blacks, then okay, like these ones are jackets and there's blazers. So you put them black on the one side and like that. And then the dresses are over here. You can see how long they are. So here I didn't want to put anything here underneath because they are long to get space. That way I've not pushed them on that far end. But when the organizers come, I think everything will be workable. Yeah, so I'm really proud of myself. Oh my god, this is a lot of work. And I forgot to show you. So you're supposed, like, when you're hanging, all of them to look on the same side. You don't, like, one isn't looking on the other side, it doesn't look neat. So you should do that as I've done. All of them on the same side, and we said color coordination as well. So for me, I have colorful clothes. So color coordination here is not coloring, but I've tried black. You see white, black, there's sky blue, this is which, and then there's pink. This is almost like peach, and then there's mustard, there's cream, gray. This is coat. So that's why I've just put it on the far end. That's how it looks. It's so long. For winter. Which winter now? And I even don't remember to wear, so my jeans are over there. Even these ones I've tried to coordinate them. Sky blue, the darker the blue ones, the black ones, and the grays. Yeah. So guys, I hope that you've learned something, and you can as well arrange your drawer, or your, if it's a drawer, if it's your closet, just arrange and don't be like me. Yeah, me, I was just lazy. Learning something from the video. So yeah, I want to, it's like a snack in between. It's one, but for me, I'll do a snack because I don't have lunch. Yeah. And for breakfast, I have not even taken breakfast. Oh my god, this is it. So let me show you what I'm taking, so that we continue with our job. This job, I thought it would be easy, but this is it. I've just add some bran flakes. This is yogurt and also grapes. That's it. That's what I'm having. So this is like a breakfast, like I don't know what, because it's lunchtime now. So let me finish. I have one shelf here up that I usually put duvets. Guys, you see this place, it's far from, I cannot even reach the place, so I usually have to look for something to go up. So most of the times I just throw things, and you can see how it is. So this is just a duvet that I alternate with the one that I'm using right now. So this is everything that is here. These are just bed sheets and the duvets and curtains. So I want to even make this place. So I bought this bag from, this one came from Divine, guys, and it's just this is how it looks. Hey, this house looks so messy, but I'll just arrange it. So this is how big it is. I want to put my duvet inside and maybe some bed sheets. So I'll have to get another one for the other duvet. So I have like 2 of them, but let us just put what we have and see the space. You see, it looks so big, it can fit the whole space. So let me put duvet and show you how the bag looks. Guys, this is it. So I've stored a lot of this, and the bag is so heavy, and the good thing is that it's dust proof. Yeah, so I just want to close, and then I don't know how I'll put it up here, but I need to. But at least now I have somewhere I can place things in one place. Yeah, guys, that is it. That's how it's looking, and it's a big bag, as you can see. Something big. Let me just stand at the far end. I wanted to buy one to see if it will fit. It will need another one in the same drawer, so that's what I want to put up here. And then when it fits, I'll have to get another one for just the bed. I mean the curtains. I can't tired. What? So I was putting this thing up. I'll try to put it. It's falling. So everything is inside, and you can see at least it's not the way that it was. So I'll get 2. I think they will fit. I'll get another one so that I can just be putting the curtains alone and the cushion covers, because everything right now is inside. I'm done with that part. This one I've already folded. I've put my shoes. These are my sneaker shoes, and my sleeping are not the ones that I wear at home when there's cold. So the sneakers are on this side. Those ones are just the heels and the flat shoes over there. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I need a shoe rack, and then I put a shelf here so that I can get space for more stuff. So guys, I'm done. Rate me out of 10. What do you think about the closet? What I should change or add? And then again, if I'm posting out as a challenge, let's do this. Let's make our closet neat. And also these ones, I think I'll have to, because these ones you can't paint. It's not real wood. So I'm thinking to just put them the contact paper. Okay, I have a lot of work to do in this house, but I don't have that time. Oh my God. Guys, that you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. If you've stayed until this far, make sure that you subscribe. If you haven't, remember to like, give me a comment, tell me what you think about the video, and I hope that you've learned something from it. You've gotten some few tips that you can use to make your closet neat and organized. So I think I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.